NG last week traded with a gap down, traded in red, and in fact failed to breach past $8.5. In fact, gave a very good swing and ended the week at close to $8 levels. Now, what is going to happen next week? Whether it is going to remain bearish or it is going to show you a bounce back, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Yes, those who are new must watch my daily morning analysis on NG. This I release very early in the day with the Asia session, so do watch that on. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. Now look at the weekly charts on NGC. This was the bullish channel and this was the reversal. After this reversal we have seen a good drop. I told you it is indicating a reversal, and only if it trades beyond 8.5 you can expect further highs, and then you can expect $10 levels. Now look at this: lower highs, lower lows. Now what does this indicate? Lower highs, lower lows indicates that it is still bearish and it is trying to trade in this channel. Only long entry, as I share, only long entry is if you see it trading beyond 8.3. Beyond 8.3 you can again expect it to rise more, and then it can continue to trade bullish. One can expect a stronger rise if it continues to trade above 8.3 and then 8.5 levels. Do not miss this entry this time. If you see it trading beyond 8.3, definitely we can see a very strong rise, and then it will continue to trade above $9 levels. In fact, 9.5 and 10 can be seen there. But look at this here: lower highs, lower lows indicates that it is still bearish. Hence, if it opens below, 7.9, yes, that is the level below which we can expect it to come back for 7.5, and this time if it breaks 7.5 it will directly try to hit 7.2 levels, which is a good support zone. So it is trying to reverse here. See, now if you look at the weekly charts, lower higher highs has been seen. Now it is trying to give you a symmetry. Lower highs from this was the reversal after this drop. So see, rise, drop, retracement. Now it is looking forward to a further rise. Even if it tries to drop, the support there at $6 level should be very handy. Now this is going to be a major support level. So this is what we can see on the weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the daily candle. Now look at the daily candle first. The last two candle, higher lows, lower highs, indicates a consolidation, and compared to what we have seen in the previous candle where it has seen a good swing precisely from these levels, and it has shown higher lows, lower highs. The pivot is again at around 7.8 levels or 7.5 levels, 7.85 levels. So this zone is important till the time it trades above 7.9, 7.85. Probably we can see it reversing again. So good level to go long on NG, it appears again, is 8.3. If you see it trading beyond 8.3, definitely one can take a long entry. Rather, I will recommend you to go long at 1.18 itself. Beyond that, 8.3 should 8.18 itself. Beyond that, 8.3 should come into picture, and beyond that, it will fly high. Else, breaking below this zone at 7.8, definitely then you can expect 7.5, and then it will also come back till towards $7 levels. If not this week, then next week it may hit $7 levels. This is another observation. Now let's have a look at the candlestick charts on the 4-hour chart. And on the 4-hour time frame you will find 8.18 and $8.2 levels, giving it a fairly strong resistance on the upside. Now look at the lows there, higher lows, and hence yes, you can go short at 7.85. Below this, 7.8 is the first support, 7.6, and then 7.5 and 4 should come into picture. Go short at 7.85, go long above 8.18, or rather 8.2. Go long above 8.2, go short below 7.85. Now look at the swing zone, look at the no trade zone. It is almost precisely $3.5. And why these $3.5 are coming into picture? Because it is traded in a consolidatory phase, consolidatory manner, giving higher lows, lower highs. So precisely, yes, you can go short here, but in fact, yes, you can reduce it a bit and take a short entry at 7.9 itself. Then 7.8 should be a good support, but be watchful. You are getting only a dollar move here, and on the upside, you can go long here at 7.9 8.18 itself. So 8.18 and 7.9. Now we have reduced it to almost $2.18 move. In between these 2.18, we have to be little bit cautious while taking a position. Now let's have a look with the help of candle now look at the indicators trading precisely at the median of the Bollinger Bands, but trading below the 20 period moving average on the 4-hour chart, which is right now situated around 8.05 levels, and beyond 8.05, then 8.1 is the target, then 8.1618, and then 8.2 should come into picture, which is a very strong resistance on the downside. The support there at 7.9 is strong. This is the 100 period moving average. Below this, yes, 7.85 should be a very good support. Below that, we may see it crashing more. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is comfortable. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bearish crossover. RSI is sloping downwards or looking downwards, which is a bearish move there. Now look at the daily chart. Support there from the 20 period moving average, and this is situated at around 7.9. Very strong support here. Then 50 period moving average and the Donchian channel support from 7.8 is going to be strong. So 7.9, 7.8 you have to be watchful. Then 7.7, and below that you can see a very good crash. So on the upside, be cautious of 8.2 levels. So similar is the observation there. And if you look at the directional movement is bullish, stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD has just crossed over. This is also divergent. This is just two candles apart. We may see it crashing further. RSI looking downwards here. And if you look at the weekly chart, support there at $7 levels, and 7.4 is strong. Directional movement is still bullish. MACD is stochastic is near to top. MACD is on the verge of a crossover, but it is still trying to trade in red. RSI looking downwards on the weekly charts. And if you look at the monthly candle, on the monthly candle, see lower highs, and yes, it is also the top of the Bollinger Bands. It traded outside the Bollinger Bands for a couple of months, and now it is almost trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands. Probably we can see a little red candle which might try to take it till towards $6 levels, which is a support, and then 5.5 and $5.2 levels should come into picture. Below that, 5 is the very strong support. So this is what we can observe. It is trading and failing to go past above Bollinger Bands, and hence, as I said, yes, you can go long above 8.2, but remember 8.4, 8.5, 8.6, it is giving it a stronger resistance on the upside. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic comfortable. MACD is trading green since last couple of years. It is wide divergent, and it is at high. It is looking forward to converge from here. Let's see if it does. RSI looking flat. Considering this, now let me give you the trading levels and strategy for next. First, let's talk about where to go long. And yes, it is right now closed at $8 levels. You can go long at 8.06, and beyond that you can expect it to rise for 8.18, very strong resistance, and then 8.21. So if it breaks past 8.21, stay long for further rise. Then I will look forward directly to 8.3, 8.4, and then 8.5. Now this level you should watch out for 8.5 level. If it drops or if it rises beyond 8.5, there could be a stronger move which might try to take it till towards $9 levels. This is the next strongest resistance, and beyond that you can further stay long. This could be the target for this whole month at around 9.2 and 9.5 levels. Beyond that, a stronger rise can be expected, taking it till towards $10 levels. But remember, for next week specifically, if you ask me about, first this zone you should be watchful. Only if it trades above this you can expect a little move. But remember, again 8.3 on the other time frame, this level also provided resistance. Beyond that, definitely we can see a very strong bounce or rise, and it may, you know, gain very easily, very fastly above these levels. On the, yes, before I give you further and the levels to go short, yes, if you want to learn and gain the same art and expertise on how to read the markets, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, lifetime support is what you get. The next batch is starting on 8th of August. For that, only I think couple of seats left. If you want to reserve, you can reserve it now. And yes, if you want to be a part of next batch, you can keep yourself updated with the latest information which I share in my free Telegram channel. That is, the link is mentioned in the Telegram video description and the channel description. Also, you can join my VIP signals group and reach out to me for both, and any further queries you can mail me or ping me on Telegram, and then I'll flourish the further details. So yes, you can go short here at 7.9. Below that, I will look forward to 7.8, very strong support, and then below that, yes, it can drop heavily for 7.62 and 7.5 levels. This is the support, and if it does, then if it takes away this, then it is going to be the $7 levels, which is the strongest support. So take your positions accordingly. In between 8.5 and 7.5, you should be cautious, as that was the swing last week we have seen. Probably below 7.5 is further more drop can be expected. Take your trades accordingly, take profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more queries on both. My Telegram and email ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.